Good morning, everybody. Hope you all had a great day yesterday. It was just insane. Days like yesterday happens like maybe, if market lucky two, three times a year. That's why I posted yesterday, if we break out, it's possible to go 1-2% higher, and SPY went positive 1%, QQQ went positive 2%. It was just insane. So, in this kind of situation, it happens on many names. You want to always pay attention, First of all, yesterday before market opens, market was bullish. So market was upward. But as soon as market opens, the sell orders came in, except Nvidia. So Nvidia was strong, but everything else, start falling. And especially an SPY was the weakest. So the texts start following the SPY too. And as you saw yesterday, so 5 minutes, 15 dead cross, then 30 and 1 hour dead cross too, and then boom, we went 100 points lower. So that's what happened yesterday. But at the same time, once you get to the bottom, start 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes for golden cross, then 5 minutes MACD golden cross, then volume came in, then we start bouncing up. So once it start bouncing up, then we got a 15 minutes MACD golden cross. Then we got 30 minutes MACD golden. These are all signs that we're gonna go for full recovery, V recovery. And once it went for full V recovery, at that point it was all about breaking out the pre-market high. Once it broke it, it went just nuts. So 1 hour golden cross and it went crazy. This could happen to any name anytime, comes down, make a V recovery, breaks the top, it goes higher. So anyhow, as always, I made a mistake I didn't say yesterday. Um, Even though market like looks bullish, like yesterday, even though market looks bullish pre-market, if you see 5 minutes, 3, 5, 15 MACD dead cross, weekend trend can change and go down and reverse. So today, right now, as you can see here on the SPY, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is all pointing down, but market is holding up. We are still very bullish on the 4 hour. Daily MACD is curved up. We have a still red bar on the TTM squeeze, but the statistic fast is bullish on the daily and weekly. And then once we get a daily MACD golden cross, things can get really crazier. Just keep that in mind. We have FOMC next week. We are not too far from all-time high. If Nvidia runs up higher, if it passes 120, we are looking to get close to all-time high. So yeah, as always, pay attention to the 5 and 15 and 30. So if you see market opens 5 MACD golden cross, 15 follows and 30 follows, and then we know that market is gonna go for another run up. Otherwise, it's possible to have a choppy day, consolidation in a small range. So after big days like today, yesterday, either market is gonna be in a tight range, a slow day, nothing's gonna happen. People already made too much money yesterday or lost too much, and everybody just taking it slow today. Or if it goes, it's gonna be another continuation. So just we'll see what's gonna be today. QQ, NQ, pre-market same thing like ES. MACD is curved up, but we still have the red bars on the TTM squeeze. If the daily MACD golden cross confirms, we are good to go for text running up higher. As you can see here, we have still a little bit more gap to fill. Um, Dow Jones, Dow Jones 1 hour is dead crossing. Um, let's see, not interested in Dow Jones too much. RTY is coming up too, but it's still weekly is dead cross downward. Daily is still we have red bars rising. It most likely bottom, but we'll see what the rate cut is gonna have, what effect is gonna have as small caps. DXY going lower pre-market, that's a good thing. The lower this goes, the higher text can fly up. 4 hours dead crossing. 101.37 is the next target there. 10-year. We have auction today, I think at 1 p.m. We do have an auction of 30-year bond auction, so that could have a big effect on market. Last auction wasn't that much moving, but this one we'll see what it does. 10-year is pointing down on daily and weekly. Wix was very interesting yesterday. Oh man, this one it opened 1951. Once it passed, it went crazy. 2037, 21. But then once it started pulling back and the 5 minutes MACD dead cross, it was just non-stop fall. And this was a sign that market can squeeze up higher. I'm sorry, this is 15. So it was just crazy. And below 1812 was it got even more squeeze up. 1812 is a really key level to watch. If it passes that one, market can have more a little bit pullback today. 1726, 1812, those are the two keys you want to watch. Above 1812, those are the higher level. Below 1726, 1639 and 1586, next major level. Pre-market right now, not clear sign what direction is going to go, but the 4 hour is pointing down. Daily MACD is near dead cross, so we'll see which way is going to break out. SPX, so next target there is 5563, 5584. If 5546 can hold it, next lower levels are 35, 23, and 09. BTC was red yesterday. It recovers, went up green, then it pulled back again after PPI. Pre-market 15:30, 1 hour is pointing down, but still inside this range here. If you draw a box here, it even goes down, it comes back to it, but haven't broke it. Need to break 60K to get interesting. Once it breaks, it's possible to have a bigger move. What else? Come on, load it up. Oil getting a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze daily, maybe bottoming. Gold made a new all-time high, I think. Got close to it, but GLD I think made a new all-time high. To GLD, yeah, I think GLD, yes, 234.2. Yeah, it made a new all-time high, but it's pulling back a little bit right now. But very bullish pre-market. Keep an eye on gold. 15:31 hours, everything is upward. After PPI report went up crazy. But okay, Apple. Apple was a small dump yesterday, but then small recovery too. So that shows still inside the box. If it runs up, we look at 224, 226, and 221 if it can hold it. Those are the next support levels to watch. 4 hours still bullish upward. Weekly MACD is curved down. That's not a good sign. If it dead crosses, can have more pullback. But we'll see if it's gonna pass to 26. That's a key level to watch. Amazon finally broke out yesterday. It was strong before open, but then as soon as it opens, it dumped. That was a weak name yesterday at open, but then the recovery was very beautiful. It's getting close to 185, 35 right now is resisting there. Very bullish on the 4 hour. Daily, we got the first light blue bar, yellow bar on the weekly, first yellow bar on the weekly. And it's all about 185.35. If you can't pass that one, good morning, I'm not. We're looking at 186, 188, 88 next major level. Above 188, it can go crazier for 190, 192, 195. But again, pre-market right now, the 5 and 15 is pointing down. So if 184, 183 can hold it, retest 182 and 180. Nvidia was crazy yesterday. Pre-market was already very strong, and even market open, it jumped up, and even market was falling, this was holding up, and the pullback wasn't that much strong. When market pulls back, always remember, when market pulls back, even a strong names follows. So this one start following the market pullback, but then it was one of the earliest name that bounced back up, and that was a sign that market was going. And 112 passed, went crazier. I said it yesterday in the video. Right now for today, you're watching 118.68. If past that one, we're looking at 120, 122, and 125.28. Those are the next major level. If it goes crazy next week, 127, 131, 134 can come. Very bullish on the 4 hour. Daily MACD is curved up. Most likely TTM squeeze is gonna have a yellow bar. So these are all confirmation that it's possible to pass 120 and go higher. Meta is jumping. Pre-market, as I said, as you can see here, 15:30 is downward. 1 hour we're getting a dark blue bar. So if once 516 can 116 can hold it, supports are 113 and 112. But general trend on Nvidia is up, so it's possible maybe some people lock profit at open and then bounce back up again. AVGO went crazy, just it's 3 days multi-day going up, and right now it's all about 160. 1 hour MACD is dead cross, so just keep that in mind. I don't like usually when 1 hour MACD is dead cross pre-market. So this one, watch 160, 160.85 if you pass that one. Next major levels are 161, 163, and 165. If 156 can hold it, 155 is the next support level. I like that the yellow bar we got on the TTM squeeze and daily trend is up, all-time high. 185, right? Yeah, so not too far away. We'll see. What else you got here? Coin yo-yo action. 161 need to pass to ground to 163, 167, 171. Let's go faster. Netflix. Nice bounce up. 684 if it passes strong. We're looking at 690, 699, and 708. Uh, Meta, nice jump up, even though right now it's getting more steam there. 518 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 518.69. We're looking at 520, 522, and 524. Looking very bullish pre-market. Still 30 and 1 hour is upward. 4 hour we're getting TTM squeeze light blue bar. So this one, if 518 passes, can get really interesting. Tesla was weak yesterday. Even though market was bouncing up, this wasn't joining. But at the end of the day, it started bouncing up crazy and premiums went higher. Um, but right now, 3 points gap down. 1 hour is pointing down. 1530 is pointing down. This one is just inside this big red candle. It needs to pass 230 to get interesting. And keep in mind, algos are killing premiums. So 226, 223 key levels to watch. Passed out each one. Either way, it can go run up. Next targets are 227, 229, 232. If 223 can hold it, back to 220, 219. 219 if it breaks again, lowers low. Those are the lower level. I'm a little bit biased on Tesla for now. I think it's gonna have a little bit more pullback and then run up higher later. We have the Robotaxi event. We have the end of the month also. It's coming. The what do you call it? Quarterly report. So just keep in mind the algos. I don't like that they're killing the premiums very fast on the pullback. Microsoft big bounce up yesterday. It looks like a breakout is coming. It's already in a breakout, but it looks like it's gonna continue higher. Daily MACD is upward. We get a yellow bar. 4 hour very bullish, but pre-market right now 15:31 hour everything is dead cross. So it's holding up still near there. So 424, 427 next major level to watch. If it jumps up today, 427 pass, it can go to 430, 428, 430, and 432. Google. Google, nice gap up pre-market. I was checking, but there was not special news about it. Next major level there is 154 and 156.68. It's possible to come at open. Um, 30 is upward, 1 hour, 4 hours upward. We're getting the first light blue bar. So keep an eye on Google at open. AMD, so far 3 days run up, but 1 hour is dead cross, so maybe some rest. Need to pass 151 for running up higher. 151.02 pass. We look at 152, 154, and 156. What else you got here? SMCI still haven't filed a 10K. 446 pass, 456, 466. I don't like that the 1 hour is dead cross. SPY, next major level is 556.03. Past that one, we're looking at 556.74, 557.88, and 559.02. That's the next major level. If 555.13 can hold it, retest of 554.23 and 553.68. QQQ, next major level is 470 and 474.1. If 468 can hold it, retest of 466, 464, and 462. That's pretty much it on the major names. Let me see here. Yep. Adobe has earning today, so keep an eye on that one. That could have a huge effect on semis, either way. And FSLR just went crazy yesterday. I posted it. I noted it, yesterday in the video. 240 if it passed, 243, 247, 251. If it gets crazier, 255, 261, 267. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.